Hey, what up peeps, it's your boy JP bringing you guys a brand new video. So in this video I am going to be showing you guys how my car looks. I was supposed to post this video a while ago, but yeah, I got really busy. There was a lot of things that I had to do. So first things first, this is the engine bay. Looks beautiful. This car looks absolutely amazing. Now I've had a few questions on why the intake is red. Don't fucking ask. It's just the red, okay? I don't give a shit what color it is. It looks nice. The car looks clean. This is what the engine bay looks like. It looks really nice. It's been completely rewired, everything. You can see a lot of these wires have thick ass cables around them just to protect the wires a bit. A lot of work has been going into this car. Now I still cannot daily drive this car because the spark plugs constantly get eaten. Like, I'm not even kidding you. This car goes through spark plugs like I don't even know what to say. So it goes through spark plugs like crazy because the tune isn't finished. There's a lot of problems that need to get fixed before the tune can get finished. And unfortunately I needed this car as soon as possible, so I did kind of rush my mechanic a little bit. So that's why the tune's not good and the suspension still needs work. I think, if I'm not mistaken, he said he's gonna the next thing that we're gonna do with the suspension is coilovers, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but that might be the next thing that gets done to the car. I still need to see what I'm gonna do about the pricing, because this car's working out very expensive. But that's how the engine bay looks. Completely revamped, completely refreshed. Almost brand new engine. I did kind of mess it up because like I said, I'm not supposed to be driving the car as it is now. But I did have to rush to get the car done. But let me show you guys what's been done on the interior. So first thing I'll show you guys, I'll go from like chillers to the like crazy side. So you guys can see down there, let me just try and turn the camera. You guys can see down there, temp gauge, fully custom. That was never in there. There's a little space behind it so I can put all of my keys and change and whatnot. So there's a special rev limit, special temp gauge in there. It has an aftermarket rev limiter. It's a Type R. I don't know what brand it is, but I've seen this brand quite often on a lot of different shift rev limiter. So this is a custom one. It's not normal, it's not stock. It's brand new. Then if you look down there, you can see this little nitrous switch over there. It's not nitrous, it's a fan switch. It's to manually turn on and off the fan, because I asked him to do that so that it makes it easier for me, because this car didn't turn on the fan when it was supposed to. This engine was completely fucked, and the fan didn't turn on when it was supposed to. It would turn on once the car's temperatures reached too high, and then the car would overheat, and then it would cause problems. Then it has two little lights over here. These lights indicate problems with the engine. So if one of those lights go on while you're driving, then you need to pull over because there's something wrong, and you better hope it's not bad, because then I'm fucked. So that's basically all that's been done to the interior. It's still the same seats, everything's still the same. I still got a cooler box behind my chair just to keep my chair from falling over. But yeah, there's a lot of work that's been put into this car. It's been through a lot, this car, I can tell you now. Absolutely no one is touching this car besides my mechanic and like the people that he works with. So he's been doing a lot of work to this car. Unfortunately, like I said, it does run through spark plugs, but when the spark plug sets fresh, when it's a brand new set of spark plugs, it runs really, really well, and it sounds amazing. I do have a few clips of me driving the car after it was finished, so I'll put those clips in at the end of this video. I just quickly wanted to show you guys the interior, how it looks. It's still the same, still basic. Everything's still like the shitty old interior that it had. It still has the same shitty interior, but there's a lot of things that's going to change. I'm going to get this car basically redone. The interior and the exterior might look like absolute dog shit after the car's done, but the fact is the car will be mechanically perfect and it'll be quick as well. So it's if numbers are running right, it should make a little bit more than double what it originally makes. This car makes around 60, 70, 80 horsepower stock. It's around, I think it's 70 horsepower stock that this car makes. So it should make around maybe 140, maybe 150s. I don't know the exact because I work with kilowatts, so I don't know the exact specs, but it should make around 150 horsepower. It's not a fast car. It's not meant to be a race car. It's just meant to be, you know, quick. If I want it to be a little bit quick, then it can go quick. So yes, it came a really long way, and it sounds great as well. Like I said, you guys will be able to hear it in this video. I do have clips of me revving it. I have clips of me driving it, so I'll put that in this video. I'll post it actually now, right after I'm done recording this. I'm going to edit and post it. So yeah, there's been a lot of work that's been done to this car. It's at a very, very, very healthy stage, besides the whole spark plug situation, but the car's gonna not get driven until that gets sorted out, because that's the most important thing at this stage, is to get the tune fixed and to get the suspension done. The suspension is very bad because if I hit a pothole, and South Africa's filled with potholes, and we don't have like potholes in the road, we have craters. Like, I'm not even kidding, these things are like fucking triple the size of the steering wheel. We have really big potholes just casually sitting there, and like some of these potholes you have to be really careful with. So if I do end up hitting a pothole with this car as it is now, it's gonna be very bad. It's gonna be really, really bad. So I'm gonna try and get the car done. I'm gonna try and drive it as little as possible. If I need to go to the shops, I'll use it. If I don't need to drive it at all, I'm gonna leave it. But in any way, thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, it's been redone, it's been revamped, and it sounds really good. So yeah, I'm gonna put the clips of me starting it, driving it, and idling and revving and whatnot. I'm gonna put that in, and yeah, enjoy that, guys. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.